The CH42 error code on an LG appliance indicates an issue with a low pressure sensor. This error message can be caused by improper voltage measurements, a faulty thermostat, or a disconnected system. To fix this issue, start by checking the DC voltage. Test the system's voltage between the white and black cables on the plug, which should be around 12 volts DC. If the measurement is significantly different, replace the sensor and check if the error message is still displayed. Next, inspect the thermostat using an ohm meter to test its resistance. If it doesn't change, the part may need to be replaced. Additionally, ensure the system is properly connected by checking the sensor's connection to the PCB and reconnecting the parts if necessary. If the sensor continues to malfunction and the error code persists, it may be necessary to replace both the PCB and the sensor.